Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Chicken recipe with vegetables cooked in the oven. With the amount of material seen here, enough food for 150 people can be made. 10 whole chicken, 7 kilograms of onions, 8 kilograms of potatoes, 7 kilograms of green pumpkin, 7 kilograms of eggplant, 1 liter of sunflower oil, 600 grams of yogurt. Spices: black pepper, cumin, thyme, salt and sugar, hot pepper paste, crushed garlic, tomato paste. Chickens will be cut into bones and prepared. Cut the wings. Cut the arm and wing together. Cut off the leg parts. Cut the thigh and bony parts using an axe. Cut and separate the breast portion of the chicken. One need to remove at least 15 pieces from the whole chicken. One piece of chicken and other vegetables for one person. A total of 150 pieces of bone chicken were prepared. Chop the onions and cut in half. Place the chopped onions on the bottom of the baking tray. Very large pieces will be in half moon shape and small ones can be round. Chop the green zucchini round and place on the onions. Chop the eggplants round and place them on the green zucchini. Chop the potatoes round and place on the eggplants. Add some salt. Add pieces of chopped bone chicken. With the skins facing up. Order of placing vegetables according to cooking time. Onions and green zucchini are added to the bottom. Eggplant and potatoes. The chicken will be up and fried at the top, the vegetables will be cooked with the water left by the chicken. Add liquid sunflower oil into deep mixing container. Add yogurt and spices. Stir tomato, add pepper paste and garlic. Add the mixture to the chicken. Vegetables and chickens were placed so that there was no space. It is also possible to cover the chicken or cook it without covering it. If it is to be cooked closed, cover it with wet paper before the aluminum foil. When the paper is dry, secure it with foil so that the oven does not fly with the fan. I think it's better to just add the foil to the middle part like the tray on the left. Place the trays in the oven and cook. (170° temperature), 120 minutes will be enough to cook. Healthy chicken dish with vegetables cooked in oven. Besides this dish, you can serve with rice, yogurt, juice and salad. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.